Which is the primary sector of India's economy? Agriculture. What is the major feature of the Indian economy? Mixed economy. Note issuing department of the RBI should always possess a minimum gold stock worth 115 crore. Exporters in India get insurance cover and risk cover from which organization? ECGC. In 2005-6, which scheme was started for rural sanitation? Bharat Nirman. The process by which the central bank of a country controls the supply of money is known as monetary policy. When was an open sky policy for cargo introduced by the government? April 1990. The earlier system of prime lending rate (PLR) has now been replaced by bank rate. The process of conversion of a physical check into electronic form is known as check truncation. The author of the book Planned Economy of India is M. Visvesvaraya. The term plastic money is used for credit cards. Where is the financial headquarters of State Bank of India situated? Mumbai, Maharashtra. Which Indian bank has highest number of branches? State Bank of India. A banknote of which a portion is missing or which is composed of more than two pieces is known as multilayered banknote. Rural Infrastructure Development Fund RIDF was started by which financial institution? NABARD. Which Indian bank started the program Kisan Bani? Andhra Bank. In which city India's second forensic university is proposed to be established? Rampur, Uttar Pradesh. Which polymer is used for making bullet-proof windows? Polycarbonates. The most commonly used material for making transistors is silicon. The polymer is used for the production of non-sticky pans, Teflon. In a pressure cooker, food is cooked shorter time because the boiling point of water decreases. Which solution of electrolytes is used in the car battery? Sulfuric acid. Which have the largest number of species in the world? Insects. Which gas is primarily responsible for eutrophication of water bodies? Nitrogen. What system is used for monitoring the environment? LIDAR. Name the key enzyme involved in enzymatic browning of fruits and vegetables? Polyphenol oxides. Butter is stored at what temperature in a commercial cold storage? 4 degrees centigrade. The most common and least expensive plastic film used for packaging of solid food material is polyethylene. Who was conferred the 49th Gyanpith Award? Kedarnath Singh. Charlie Hebdo magazine Recently, news in published from France. Charlie Hebdo magazine is published from France. Who was awarded Sahitya Academy Award for English Language for 2014? Ramesh Chandra Shah. Which is called as the land of morning calm? Korea. National Voters' Day is celebrated on January 25. The 102nd Indian Science Congress 2015 was held in Mumbai. Which state of India became the first carbon-free state? Himachal Pradesh. Golden Revolution is related to beekeeping. Beekeeping. Golden Revolution is related to beekeeping. Cross country skiing is the national sports of Norway. Cross country skiing is the national sport of Norway. The newspaper group behind the Gyanpith Award is the Times of India. In which district of Uttar Pradesh was the first university for the physically handicapped established? Chitrakoot. Who has got the power to create All India Service? Parliament. Who admits a new state to the Union of India? Parliament.